Hi traders, you are welcome to this video and I especially welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. Now in this video we're just going to be diving into the Heikin Ashi charts and we're going to be looking at how to use them to read price action. If you're new to trading or just getting started with Heikin Ashi candles, then this video is for you. Okay, by the end of this guide you'll have a solid understanding of how Heikin Ashi works and how to incorporate it into your trading strategy to identify trends, reversals, and key entry points. All right, but before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button if you find this video helpful and subscribe to the channel for more trading tutorials and insights. Okay, let's get started. First things first, what exactly are Heikin Ashi candles? Like, if you've ever looked at a chart and felt overwhelmed by all the price movements, you are not alone. Traditional candlestick charts show you the price open, right? Traditional candlestick charts like this, right, shows you the price open, the price high, right, the low, and the close, right? That's the open, high, low, close of that particular candle, okay, for each time period. But the Heikin Ashi candles, is different, right? The Heikin Ashi candles are different. They smooth out price action by averaging the open and close of each candle, and this smoothing effect makes it easier to spot trends. So instead of having to deal with all the market noise and irregular price movements, Heikin Ashi gives you a clearer picture of where the market is heading. All right, it gives you a clearer picture of where the market is heading, and it's like taking a snapshot of the trend without all the distractions. So let's just take a quick look at how the Heikin Ashi candles are calculated, okay, so you can better understand how they work. So here's the formula, right? For the open of the current Heikin Ashi candle is the average of the open and close of the previous candle, all right? While the close of the current candle is the average price of the current period. That's the open, high, low, and close of that period, all right? Then for the high, the highest value of the current period is the high, and the lowest value of the current period is the low, okay? So this simple calculation gives you candles that are much smoother and easier to analyze than traditional candlesticks. So the key takeaway is that Heikin Ashi helps eliminate some of the randomness and noise, making it ideal for identifying strong trends and reversals. So now that we know what Heikin Ashi candles are and how they are calculated, let us break down how to read them. Okay, so basically in an uptrend, right, in an uptrend, you will an uptrend occurs when you see a series of white candles, right, with little or no lower wicks. It's an indication that the price is in an uptrend. Okay, this means buyers are in control and the price is more likely to continue moving upward. Okay, then when you see a series of red candles, yeah, when you see a series of red candles with little or no upper wicks, this indicates a downtrend. Okay, the sellers are in control and the price is more likely to continue downward. Then for a sideways market, okay, sideways market occurs when you see okay, let me just use a color that will be more okay. So when you see candles that alternate between white and red, okay, this typically signals a period of consolidation. Okay, if the bodies are small with long wicks, all right, so you want to be cautious before taking any trades when you find such. So the smoothness of Heikin Ashi candles make it much easier to spot trends, which is essential for successful trading. You can now identify whether the market is trending up or down or consolidating, allowing you to plan your trades more effectively. All right. So one of the best things about Heikin Ashi is that it is great for identifying trends. Okay. Um, so let's just go through how you can use it for trend analysis. So in terms of identifying an uptrend, right, you will see a series of white Heikin Ashi candles with no lower wicks. With no lower wicks. This shows strong bullish momentum. When you see no lower wicks, like we can see here, it shows strong bullish momentum. When this happens, yeah, you can look for buying opportunities. Then identifying a downtrend, you know, in a downtrend, you'll see a series of red Heikin Ashi candles with no upper wicks. All right. Then in such situation, it actually indicates that there is strong bearish pressure. Okay. So when you see this, you might consider selling or looking for short trades. Then spotting reversals. Reversals are one of the most important things to spot in any market. With Heikin Ashi candles, a reversal is typically marked by a change in color from a series of white to a series of red, or from a series of red to a series of white. Okay, so now that you know how to spot trends, let's talk about using Heikin Ashi for finding entry points. So here's a simple strategy. You can enter long. When you see a strong white Heikin Ashi candle following a period of red candles. This suggests the start of an uptrend. Okay, then you can enter short when you see a strong red Heikin Ashi candle following a period of white candles. Okay. Additionally, you can use a strategy where you wait for a confirmation candle. For example, if you see a white Heikin Ashi candle after a reversal, right? After a reversal, you can wait for a second white candle to form. All right. For example, like after this, this reversal, you can wait for one white candle to form, because this was previously a sell trend, right? Then we had a reversal, right? So we can wait for after this particular move, you can wait for a few white candles to form before you enter your trade. So while Heikin Ashi is a powerful tool on its own, combining with other indicators can give you an extra layer of confirmation for your trades. It's important to wait for the trend. It's important to wait for your trends to be confirmed, okay, before taking your trades. All right. When you want to trade with this Heikin Ashi candles, always ensure that you get your confirmations as well. Okay. Then you can also pair it with other indicators. For example, the RSI. You can pair the Heikin Ashi candles with the RSI, to help you determine whether the market is overbought or oversold. When used with the Heikin Ashi, it can help you decide whether the trend is likely to continue or reverse. And you can also make use of moving averages as well. Okay, you can use a simple moving average or an exponential moving average to identify the overall trend. So if the price is above the moving average, is generally considered an uptrend, and if the price is below the moving average, is generally considered a downtrend. So combining Heikin Ashi with other indicators can help you make better, more informed decisions when trading. And that is it. You've now got a basic understanding of how to read price action using Heikin Ashi charts. By focusing on smooth, easy to read candles, you can spot trends, reversals, and entry points with much more clarity than traditional candlesticks. Remember, practice is key. Okay, so try applying Heikin Ashi to your charts and see how it enhances your trading. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more trading tutorials and strategies. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.